Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can set signature in Outlook. So firstly open up your Outlook account. Then go to Files. Then click on Options. Then click on Mail. Then click on Signatures. Now just simply click on New and name your signature. For example, now choose here where you want the signature to be applied, like new messages and replies and forwards. I will choose in both. Now in the edit signature column, you have to create your own signature. Let me make mine. You can also change the font and styling of the text you're using in the signature just by selecting your signature, and then choose any font you may like. Let's go with this one. So it will change automatically, but I don't want that, so I'll just undo it. You can also link your website in your signature just by clicking on the name and then by clicking at this icon right here, and then just paste the URL of the website, and after that just press OK, and then it will become a clickable link. You can also add a PNG or an image or a logo in your signature just by clicking on this icon right here, then going to the location where the PNG or the image is saved, then choose the image and then just insert it, then just resize it. So after you're done with setting up your signature, then click on save, then press OK, then again press OK. Now if you press new email, your signature should appear right below. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.